Hey guys, this is the second video of the series on how to export your sequence in Unreal Engine 5 as an MP3 file together with audio. So on the first video, I showed you guys how to generate a single WAV file out of all your audio inputs. So I'm assuming you already have this file with you. So what we'll do now is to use this WAV file that you just generated as an input for the MP4 generation process that will render now. So for the second step, for us to generate an MP4 video file, what you want to do is to go down here again in plugins, into project settings, movie pipeline CLI encoder, and then you have to replace this command line format prompt here by one that says, hey, Unreal Engine, take my audio file that I just generated here as an input, as an audio input for my MP3 rendering. So also as an input for the, sorry, not MP3, for the MP4. So as an input for the MP4, it has to use the JPEG images that will be generated out of this sequence. So what Unreal does is it creates one JPEG image for each um, sequence in each second of the shots that you're trying to render. And then Unreal takes these JPEG images and converts into an MP4 video formats. So it will generate like hundreds of images, one for each frame. And what I'm telling Unreal Engine here to do is to take all files that start with sequence master, which is the default name for each one of the shots, and followed by dot any 4-digit number. So this argument here, it says just consider any 4-digit number after the name sequence master dot. So it will take all your JPEG inputs that are named sequence master any 4-digit number. It will take your audio file, .wav file that it just generated, and convert it into an MP4 video format. So you want to put this prompt all in one single line, and you just copy and paste it there. Here. So you close it, you go back to your sequencer, click on render this movie. Again, you can select the shots that you want here. And in your configurations, you want to make sure that you include command line encoder. I'm going to select delete source files because it's going to generate all those hundreds of JPEG images here, but I want it to keep only the MP4 file. And of course, you can include all your resolution inputs here in your configuration. You can set your custom frame rate for whatever you want here. And that's it. And then you click accept and render local. So once you do that, it will take your audio file that is the result of all your audio inputs aggregated into one single file. It will take all the JPEG images for each one of the frames and will produce an MP4 video file with image and audio blended into one. So I hope it works for you, and let me know if you guys have any questions.